Want to build a website but don't know how to do a code? What if I told you that ChatGPT can build a site for you within few minutes? Before proceeding, please make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK. So let's get started. Just go ahead and pull up any browser in your computer and type chatgpt.com. This will take us directly to a ChatGPT website. So I am already logged in with my email. Just make sure you are logged in with your email to ChatGPT. Just go ahead and click on Explore GPT here. Now in the search bar, please type website and just go ahead and open the first option you got, website generator. Now here you can see create a website in seconds, generate, design, write code and write copy for your website. Powered by B12 hello b12.io. Scroll down and you could see the details if you want to see here. I want to go ahead and I want to click on start chat. In the first example, let's go ahead. Can you create a website for me? The website name will be ITPK. Okay, we got a response that could you also give me a short description on what ITPK is about? For example, what kind of business, service, or project it is, and any goals or content you would like to include in the website. Okay, so ChatGPT is trying to gather information about my website. So let's go ahead and give it more information. Let's allow. Your new website ITPK is ready. Sign up for the website and publish it for free. If the link above aren't working, we could go ahead and click here. Let's go ahead and generate the website. Now it's generating your personalized website and looks like the stunning website comes up. First thing, let's go ahead and preview the website in another page. I want to preview it as mobile mode here. Just to confirm that this website is enough responsive and perfect. Let's review the website on the computer. It has added ITPK here as well and also generated clean and amazing website for me. If I go back to that page, you could see here that I can edit or add pages here where I don't require any coding skills. I could add styles here where I don't require any coding skills. And also I could update or correct or add the forms here. Now, if you are all set with your website, you could just go ahead and click on publish to publish your website. Before publishing, you are about to publish your website to this URL. This is b12sites.com URL. For testing purposes, let's go ahead and publish our website. Later on, I will explain you how you could add your required domain to your website. So don't worry about that. Here is my ITPK website that is now published publicly. You can see the outlaws graphics of computer screen. You can see the perfect menus here. You can see the section what our client says. And please note that this website by this URL is available now on the internet and that could be accessed from anywhere. Now let's go ahead and quickly generate another website with ChatGPT. After getting all of the information, now ChatGPT is talking to connector. Here we have to allow ChatGPT to create a website. Your new website, Coffee Park, is ready. Sign up for the website from here. Let's see. Create new website because I don't wanna mess with my this current website. So now I'm generating a separate website for my coffee shop. First thing is, let's go ahead and preview it on the complete page of my laptop. The name Coffee Park is here. Here we got the menu of the website, you got the contact, and you can see amazing picture that shows the perfect coffee shop here. If I scroll little down again, the perfect picture and the content, coffee and pizza's delights, you can see down here that we got different options from the menu: espresso, margarita pizza, and cappuccino. If you want to explore Coffee Park, a glimpse of our cozy atmosphere. Again, I'm amazed with the ChatGPT website creation in a minute. So if you're all set and happy with this website, you could go back to B12 and you could click on publish. This will make your website to be available on the internet. And of course, if you want to edit any part of your website, you could just come here and edit it from the left menu bar. So in the next quick and last example, I've created a perfect prompt for ChatGPT and will be going to ask ChatGPT to generate a website for my car showroom. I've sent the prompt and now ChatGPT is asking before I generate the site just to confirm is car park the official business name you would like to use. Also, would you like me to include everything from your message as a business description, or would you like to simplify or add anything else? Yes, car park name is fine, and we want to include everything from the message. Now, ChatGPT looks like talking to B12 connector to generate a perfect website for me. Okay, we got the website here. Let's view it quickly. Again, I already have two websites, IGPK and Coffee Park. I want to create a new website that is for my car showroom. Let's go ahead and quickly preview this. And I also want to select publish without wasting the time. Okay, I will quickly preview this website for you. Here we have the perfect theme in the beginning of website. Drive your dream, discover luxury at car park. And if we scroll down, we got more clean and perfect results. Here is about, here are the product, here are the testimonials, and you want to contact, we could click on contact that will get us to contact. So we got created few of pretty good website with few simple clicks without doing any code. So at the end, I want to show you that after creating a website, if you are satisfied your website, just go ahead and you can click on view plans. In the free plans, you will get your website with b12site.com subdomain. As we got three website with this domain, website will be mobile responsive and easy to use website editor. And this is totally free. And once you are satisfied with your website creation, you could go ahead and upgrade from here with $49 per month. First 3 months will be only $1 here. And we got a lot of other benefits here, like free custom domain, like you could get the correct domain for your website, like itpk.com, mobile responsive, easy to use website editor. You could go ahead and edit your website whenever you want. Remove B12 ads, traffic analytics and reporting, integration, on-site conversion tool, and email and chat support. The next plan we have is $78 per month, and this plan has a lot of advantages. So that's it about today's quick and simple tutorial that how we can quickly create website using ChatGPT without doing any code, without doing any complex designs. We could just go ahead, log into ChatGPT and create a website quickly with no cost. And whenever we want to edit our website, you could just go ahead and we have all of the option here to edit our website. Basically, this everything looks so simple and to the point, and also we will have admin access to our website all of the time. Thank you for watching this helpful tutorial. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.